Welcome to the London Perspective. I'm your host, Stefan. Today we're going to be talking about a topic that I know many of you have been interested in: how to use ChatGPT to make money. As many of you may know, ChatGPT is a powerful AI-based language generation tool that can be used to automate a wide range of tasks, including content creation, customer service, and more. And in this episode, we're going to be diving into how you can harness the power of ChatGPT to make money online. So, without further ado, let's dive in. One of the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT is through content creation. Whether you're a blogger, a YouTuber, or even an Instagram influencer, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content at a fraction of the time it would take to write it manually. For example, let's say you're a blogger and you want to write an article about the benefits of meditation. With ChatGPT, you can simply provide the AI with a few keywords and a basic outline, and it will generate a fully fledged article for you in no time. And because ChatGPT is able to understand the nuances of language, the resulting article will be highly engaging and well written. Another great way to make money with ChatGPT is through customer service. With the rise of e-commerce, more and more businesses are turning to chatbots to handle customer inquiries and support. And with ChatGPT, you can easily create your own chatbot that can handle a wide range of customer service tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions, providing product recommendations, and even handling complaints. For example, let's say you own an online store that sells clothing. With ChatGPT, you can create a chatbot that can help customers find the perfect outfit based on their preferences and budget. And because ChatGPT is able to understand natural language, the chatbot will be able to understand and respond to customer inquiries in a way that feels natural and human-like. And, last but not least, ChatGPT can also be used to generate high-quality sales copy. Whether you're selling a product or a service, ChatGPT can help you create compelling and persuasive copy that will help you convert more visitors into customers. For example, let's say you're selling a course on how to start a business. With ChatGPT, you can generate a sales page that highlights the benefits of the course and addresses common objections that potential customers may have. And because ChatGPT is able to understand the psychology of persuasion, the resulting sales page will be highly effective in converting visitors into customers. So, as you can see, there are many ways to make money with ChatGPT, and these are just a few examples. Whether you're a blogger, a YouTuber, an Instagram influencer, or even an e-commerce business owner, ChatGPT can help you automate a wide range of tasks and make more money online. So, if you're ready to start harnessing the power of ChatGPT to make money, then I highly recommend giving it a try. And if you're looking for more detailed examples and information on how to use ChatGPT for content creation, customer service, or sales copy, be sure to check out the resources and tutorials available online. And that's it for today's episode of the London Perspective. I hope you found this information useful and that you're now inspired to start using ChatGPT to make more money online. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next episode.